Cuisinart GR150P1 Deluxe Electric Griddler Review. Anyone who is looking for a compact grill, griddle, or panini press should take a close look at the Cuisinart Griddler. It does all that and more and is very easy to clean. When cooking is done, the Griddler is set to perform 5 different functions. As a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half griddle. For our first test of the Griddler, we laid it flat as a full griddle with griddle plates up to cook onions. While this task seems simple, it's harder than it looks. The onions need to cook slowly, without fast browning. We were happy with the performance since we could set the temperature, and it remained constant. While the Griddler isn't huge, we were able to cook a full pound of sliced mushrooms on one side while we cooked zucchini on the other, and we could easily cook 2 sandwiches at once. The bottom side tended to cook at a higher temperature than the top, but it was easy enough to flip foods over. When using it as a contact grill, it gave us good grill marks and did a fine job with steaks, burgers, and more. The nonstick surface is very non-stick, and even burned-on cheese slid off easily, making cleanup a breeze. The plates are removable, and we washed by hand and in the dishwasher and got good results both ways. Features: drip tray is hidden and efficient. This grill/griddle has a large drip tray that sits completely under the unit where it's out of the way, and it catches liquids that drain from the grill whether it's open or closed. There's plenty of space to collect liquids, and it's easy to remove and clean. Since the drip tray is hidden, it gives the Griddler a smaller footprint and a neater appearance, but that also means it's easy to forget about when it's time to clean up. We had to remind ourselves to double-check the drip tray before storing the appliance. Price: affordable and worth it. The least expensive of the Griddler line, which also includes the Griddler grill and panini press and the Griddler Deluxe. This is a very affordable little grill that gets the job done without a lot of fancy extras. The dials are simple controls with lights that let you know they're in use, but it cooks efficiently despite the lack of frills. It does a lot, and it does it well. Cuisinart Griddler vs. Cuisinart Griddler Elite. We feel we'd be doing a disservice if we didn't mention the Griddler's big brother, the Griddler Elite. The Elite has the same features as the basic version we reviewed, but with a few extras that we found appealing. The heating elements in the Elite are inside the plates for more efficient heating, and the temperature of the grill plates can be controlled independently. But the one extra we found most interesting was the ability to set the lid above the surface of the food, so you can heat without contact. While that might not be something you need every day, it would be great for cooking open-face sandwiches or reheating pizza slices. At twice the price of the standard Griddler, the Elite is more of an investment, so it's only worthwhile if those extra features are must-haves. Overall, we like the Cuisinart Griddler a lot. It performed well on all the tasks we threw at it, and we particularly enjoyed using it for sandwiches. The griddle option makes it so much more versatile, so it can be used as an extra space for cooking when your stove is too full for another pan.